So with that in mind, what you kind of mentioned, you hinted at this, like you can kind of take QuickBooks and you can add in additional apps or software service providers to kind of build out that more fully developed tech stack. So like, what are some of those areas where one QuickBooks falls short and you would start to look for other tools to kind of plug the gaps, if you will?
Sure. I think the first one where we start to see companies really want something additional is around contract management and AIA billing. Right now, if you're in QuickBooks, you're doing that stuff in spreadsheets. You're doing it some sort of third party. And then what you're doing is you're transposing that into the system. And that's a pretty big deal. It's when you're in a percent complete environment, you want to be able to track that stuff. You want to be able to look at your everything from a cost rolled up. And so when you're trying to do that in an Excel spreadsheet, now all of a sudden you have two systems where you're trying to converge that data. And it is oftentimes just not good, especially from the project management side. QuickBooks is highly perceived as an accounting system, not a project management system. And when you start to move into, say, some of these other applications, like we mentioned before, they're perceived as a joint. And when we start to think about the billing and so forth, it would be great to have that kind of in one ecosystem and in one environment, or at least interconnected.